In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Squarespace website. Setting this up will not only help you manage and update marketing tags, but it also adds a layer of flexibility to your data collection strategy. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Visit the Squarespace homepage and enter your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Squarespace. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you, as a website owner, can navigate through with ease. Now, let's focus on the left side of your screen. There you'll find a vertical menu, which includes an option labeled Pages. Click on Pages. This section is crucial because it's essentially where all your website's content is organized. Navigating through this section can help you manage and customize your site's structure effectively. After clicking on Pages, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu again. This time, look for an option labeled Custom Code. It might be easy to overlook among the settings available, but it's essential for our task today. This is where we can add specific coding elements necessary for functionalities such as tracking and analytics. Next, find and select the Code Injection option. If you're unfamiliar with code injections, don't worry. Simply put, this option allows you to insert code snippets into your site without having to tinker with the core structure of your website. This feature is particularly useful for adding Google Tag Manager, as well as other third-party codes. Once you're inside the code injection section, you'll notice you have two primary options: headers and footers. These two spaces are where you can paste the Google Tag Manager code. The global site tag will typically be placed in the header if it's tracking every page visit, but follow the instructions provided by Google for the best results with your particular setup. Now, with your Google Tag Manager code handy, paste it into the designated area. Make sure you're copying the exact code from your Google Tag Manager account and that there are no errors or additional spaces when pasting it into Squarespace. This ensures that everything will function properly. After you've pasted the code, it's crucial to save your work. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen and you'll see the Save button. Clicking this will apply all changes you've just made, ensuring your Google Tag Manager is now integrated within your Squarespace site. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added Google Tag Manager to your Squarespace website. Now you can manage your tags more efficiently and keep track of your marketing efforts with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave your questions or comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.